Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 1999 Honda VLX Deluxe. This V-twin 600cc cruiser, super light, super fun, beautiful red and black, liquid cooled. This bike is in really fantastic condition, only 10,806 miles. You gotta see this thing for just $24.99. Make your motorcycle dreams come true at this beautiful Honda VLX Deluxe 600 cruiser. She runs beautifully. It just really has great looks. Come by, check it out. This is a cash or credit card bike, no financing available. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Give it a go, give it another go. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.